Oh, no, no,
yes.
no, no.
Food ready. How I speak like when food ready, man? Food ready. Oh, Jesus.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey, Spy
Hey.
What are you combining made in China?
Hey, hata yangu. Pole.
My God, I don't know about like me. I am man. I defend this. I'm many a scrapper. Said.
So, make sure you finish my assignment. Did you finish my assignment? Young man, why are you sleeping in my class?
Madam, I wasn't sleeping. I'm not sleeping.
What were you doing?
I was reading, actually.
Okay. What did we say about carbon dioxide?
Carbon dioxide?
Yeah.
Madam, you said carbon dioxide is harmful to our health. When inhaled, it combines with hemoglobin to form a stable compound known as carboxyhemoglobin, which does not dissociate and reduces the amount of hemoglobin to carry oxygen. Hence, in most cases, it may lead to suffocation or even death.
Very good. Can you clap for Sakuye? Yes. Wanyama?
Yes, madam.
I have a question for you. What is the largest muscle in the human body? What is the largest muscle in the human body?
Don't want peace. I want problems always.
It is smoky, boy. It is telling me.
Don't beat someone's child.
Le monde part en couille. Non. Ha. J'ai du mal à imaginer ça.
Hey!
I threw so much of a massage.
Hey, what's up? You want to try the underarm challenge for $500?
What's that?
That's where I hold out my arm like this, and if you can avoid my arm for 60 seconds with your eyes closed, I give you $500.
500?
500. Cash.
I can do it.
Okay, cool.
So close my eyes?
No, try it a couple of times with your eyes open first to make sure you get the rhythm, and then close your eyes.
Like that?
Okay, yeah, now close your eyes. Okay, keep going, you got it. You must have used the box. Yeah, you got like 45 seconds to go.
All right.
Yeah, keep going. Oh, you about to get this money.
$5 million for catch thief. And then send the machine to Canada and catch about 600 thieves. Then send it to New York. 500 thieves. I'm going to make mistake and send the machine to Jamaica and just thief the machine. Send them dirty machine to
Huh? No.
When Jamaican vendors think that you're a foreigner.
Hello there, sir. Excuse me. Yes. How much is it for your mackerels, innit?
For your mackerel, them?
Yeah, that's what I said. I simply said, how much is it for your mackerels?
Oh.
Yeah, innit?
Give me 5,000 now, one.
5,000 for what? You idiot? You idiot, bad man?
A joke, man. Give me bills, man.
What's that thing? Hey, boy. Hey, boy.
Alright, man, big up yourself.
Hey, some man born and growing a fool. I want to hear that.
Yeah, big up yourself, man. I hate you. Health is wealth, yeah?